Good afternoon, dear students. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you are going to start shading your illustration. Here, as you can see, I have an example of an illustration in which I applied some colors and some shades. Where can I see that? In all the layers in this section. Layer by layer, if I start turning or hiding the layers, you can see that every single layer contains one color, as we did in a previous step. However, as you can see, especially in these two layers, I have one for the gloves, basic color, and over that layer I created a new one in which that I named glove shades, in which I applied these darker colors. But how can you do it? I'm going to start doing the whole process with the cape. I look for the cape's layer, then I look for the two overlapping squares, that is the new layer icon here at the bottom of the panel, and I click. Immediately you are going to see a new layer that you are going to rename by double clicking, and you can call capes shades, and you hit enter when you finish. Right after that, I recommend you to zoom in, hitting the letter Z. You use the magnifier and select the area where you want to start by dragging your pen to the right or to the left. If you want to use the hand tool to move the picture like this, the only thing you gotta do is to use the spacebar. Hold it and you drag the pen on the tablet, and that way you can start moving the picture the way you want. Now that I decided that I'm going to start applying a darker color here, what you have to do is to hit the letter I, that is the eyedropper, and click on the color that you want to use. In this case, purple. However, shades are a little bit darker, so what we're going to do is to click on the color picker, the one on the front, that one that is showing the purple color, and here in the color picker, like foreground color, I will move this in order to have a new color here that is going to be darker than the current color the cape has. Maybe there, and I hit OK. Then I switch to B, that is the brush, and I'm ready to start applying those shades in specific areas where light is not gonna go on. In a future lesson, I'm going to give you some tips on where specifically you can apply those shades. What we are coloring are those darker areas where light is not going to appear too much. If you want to resize the brush, what you can do is to hold the control key and alt at the same time, and the upper button of the pen, move the pen over the layer a little, and that is one way to resize the brush. Or you just make right click on the canvas and move this slider. Okay. If you want to make it look a little bit like more natural and more realistic, what you can do is also to lower the opacities layer. You hit zoom out, and there you go. You have some shades in the specific parts. As you can see, I already applied in the gloves, in parts of the body, but I'm missing too much. This is just the shading. The different process. The highlighting is a different process, and that's going to be in a future video. Thank you so much.